Hi there, my name is Robbie Murphy. I'm the president at Hudson Valley Chimney Service here in Poughkeepsie, New York. I want to thank you for taking the time to show interest in the position we have available here. Our family-run business has been serving the Hudson Valley since 1976. My father purchased this business in 1985. And a few years ago, I became the president. The culture is very important. It's very good. It's very smooth. We all get along very well. We help each other out as much as we can. That's the kind of people we are looking for. One of the great things about coming on board here at Hudson Valley Chimney is we do offer in-house paid training. We do realize nobody out there really has chimney experience. So it is something we are willing to train here, whether it be hands-on out in the field and also online with our extensive curriculum. There's probably almost a dozen certifications in the hearth industry, chimney and venting industry that are all obtainable here. Many of them range from gas, whether it's propane or natural gas, to pellet, solid fuel burning of wood and pellet. It takes a lot of knowledge, a lot of studying, whether it be in the books or hands-on to obtain these certifications, but it's something we believe highly in. We want to help you become certified and take your employment here to another level instead of just staying at the bottom like most places. We really want to see you grow, see you strive, and of course provide for you and your family.